So today we'll be visiting Ricardo and his Great Dane, Xena. She's about 15 months old, and he's finally at his wit's end. He says she jumps on people, barks profusely at the window, and cannot be walked on lead. So we'll see how this goes. So as Ricardo did report, Xena was a little bit hard for him to handle, but things started to change gradually as he began to communicate more clearly in a language she understood. We taught Ricardo some use of leash pressure, and we also gave Ricardo some homework, which was to keep Xena in a sit while he's standing next to her, therefore limiting her movement and giving her clear, defined directions. So hopefully he does his homework, and we'll see how next week works out.